Hi, it's your girl Hot Chick, and all you're about to hear is a soulful song with a mix of musical-ish. And I want y'all to put your hands together to my boy, Curse One, on the JB. Let's go.
Di ko maipaliwanag ang aking pagkatabi kita. Di ako makapagsalita, pero di ibig sabihin nun na ayaw kita at di kita gusto. Sadyang kamantamin ko, gusto ko man sabihin sa'yo, pero malakas ng hiya ako. Parang ewan lang, ibinin ang buhay ko, handa kong ihalay oh. Lahat sabihin mo lang at gagawin ko para sa'yo. Handa kong ibigay lahat ng sa'kin sa'yo, tik-tik-tik-tik-tik, kung kaya mo wala ka sa'kin. Ikaw tayo ng aking paghinga, sana'y abang buhay ka na makasama pagkat masaya ka sa'yo. Nadaan sa aking paningin pagkat gusto kong humihinga. Sana ang pinakati na tangi-tanging babae na sa'kin nakapagdulot ng kakaibang sa'yo di na mawari pa. Dahil baka di ko kayanin to. Ikaw siya pinakanagis dapat ituwin para sa aking sintao. At ikaw din na siya nagsisilbing matamis na panaginip ko. Handa kong ibigay lahat ng sa'kin sa'yo, di kaya mawala ka sa'kin. Ikaw tayo ng aking paghinga, sana'y abang buhay ka na makasama pagkat masaya ko sa'yo. Ikaw ang musikang naglalaro sa isipan ko.
Beat That Production, Downtown Entertainment.
Sana ako'y dinggin mo.
Let's go. Ako ay parang tingin mo kung magkama. Sa'yo lang nadama sa'yo ang aksidente. Ako si Peter Pan, sana'y sumama ka sa'kin doon sa Neverland. Na mapakirang wala ka tapos na wala ka. Ikaw ang nagbigay kahulugan sa buhay ko, at ikaw ang siya sa akin na nagbigay kahulugan. Kung bakit ako pinanganak na magulang ko, siguro nga ay para lamang ibigin na nasa balutan ng mga anghel sa paligid at natutulot na sa'yo ang nakakaparalisa. Nagpapasalamat ako sa itaas dahil pinakilala ka niya sa'kin. Sana ay di-di-di-di dahil di ko kakayanin. Handa kong ibigay lahat ng sa'kin sa'yo, di-di-di-di-di, kung kaya mo wala ka sa'kin.
Dahil ang aking paghinga, sana'y abang buhay ka na makasama pagkat masaya ko sa'yo. Handa kong ibigay sa'kin sa'yo, di-di-di-di-di, kung kaya mo wala ka sa'kin.
Nothing on you, baby. And I might say, hey, but you should about what they say, 'cause they got nothing on you, baby.
Yeah.
Nothing on you.
Nothing on you, babe. Nothing on you. I know you feel where I'm coming from, regardless of the things in my past that I've done. Most of it really was for the hell of itself, so around I spun with no direction, just trying to get some. Living in the summer sun, and so I lost more than I had ever won. And honestly, I ended up with none. There's so much nonsense is on my conscience. I'm thinking that I don't want to sound redundant, but I was wondering if there was something that never mind that we should let it go. So we don't want to be a TV episode, and all the bad thoughts just let it go. Go, 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 go.
All over the world, I could be chasing, but my time would be wasted. They got nothing on you.
Nothing on you, babe. Nothing on you.
Nothing on you.
Nothing on you, babe. Nothing on you.
They might say hi, and I might say hey, but you shouldn't worry about what they say, 'cause they got nothing on you.
Nothing on you, babe. Nothing on you.
Nothing on you.
Nothing on you. Hands down, there will never be another one. I've been around and I've never seen another one, because your style ain't really got nothing on. And you out when you ain't got nothing on. Baby, you the whole package, plus you pay your taxes and you keep plastic. You're my Wonder Woman, call me Mr. Fantastic. Stop. Now think about it.
I've been to London, I've been to Paris, even where there in Tokyo, Georgia, to New Orleans, but you always did the show.